Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I hope you all are doing very well. Okay. Yesterday we read about latitudes. So today's our topic is longitudes. What is our topic? Longitudes. Here is the question is, what is longitudes? Longitude like latitudes. जिस टाइप से लैटिट्यूड्स हैं वैसे ही लॉन्गिट्यूड्स हैं. लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर वर्टिकल सेमी सर्कुलर लाइंस. लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर वर्टिकल सेमी सर्कुलर लाइंस running from the north pole to the south pole. Running from the north pole to the south pole. These vertical lines are called longitudes. Okay, these lines are known as longitudes or meridian. Longitudes or meridian. Okay, like the latitude lines, we are also called parallel line. Latitudes line are also called. Tell me. Latitudes are also called parallel line. In the same way, the longitudes are called meridian. Okay. The question is here, what are meridian? मेरिडियन क्या है? ओके, a line that we imagine on the surface of the earth. A line that we imagine on the surface of the earth that joins the north pole to the south pole. Join the north pole to the south pole and passes through a particular place. Okay, understood? What are meridians? These vertical lines are longitudes or meridian. Okay, 0 degree longitude or meridian. 0 degree longitude or meridian is called prime meridian. 0 degree longitude or meridian is called prime meridian. Here, this line is called 0 degree prime meridian. Just like equator, 0 degree latitude is called equator. Same 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Okay, understood? Okay, look at this book. Okay, these lines are longitudes. Look at the board. This is a model of a earth. Okay, these vertical lines, all vertical lines are called longitudes or meridian. Okay, 0 degree, this line, 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Okay, now the next topic is here, the characteristics features of meridian. Okay, sorry, there are 360 meridians. How many meridians are here? 360. 360. Okay, there are 360 meridians. 180, 180. Okay, 180 degree east, 180 degree west. Okay, the 180 longitude is a common line. 180 longitude is a common line, like 180 degree east, 180 degree east, 180 degree west is a common line. There is not a two line. Here is a common line. Okay. All longitudes are of the same length. All longitudes from here till here, there. All longitudes are of the same length. इनकी लेंथ क्या है, जितने भी लॉन्गिट्यूड्स हैं सबकी सेम है. द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस इज एट द इक्वेटर. Maximum distance between any two meridian is at the equator. Here is this is the equator. Okay, यहाँ तक आते आते maximum distance to longitudes इक्वेटर के पास ही सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस होता है. अदरवाइज फ्रॉम हियर दे आर नियर. Meridian cut the equator at the right angle 90 degree. This meridians cut the equator at the 90 degree. Right angle 90 degree. Okay. ये here all meridians cut the equators. This ये का एंगल कितना है, 90 डिग्री पर कट करते हैं. ओके, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस डिक्रीजेस टुवर्ड्स द पोल्स. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस डिक्रीजेस टू द पोल. पोल की तरफ जाते हुए ये मेरिडियंस, जो भी मेरिडियंस हैं, इनके डिस्टेंस आपस में क्या हो जाता है, बहुत कम हो जाता है. ओके, इक्वेटर की तरफ इनका ज्यादा रहेगा और जैसे जैसे पोल की तरफ जाएंगे ये इनका डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, टू मेरिडियंस के बीच का डिस्टेंस जो रहता है वो कम होता रहता है, डिक्रीजेस. ओके, मेरिडियंस आर सेमी सर्कल. मेरिडियन आर सेमी सर्कल, फुल सर्कल नहीं है, सेमी सर्कल है. ये ऐसे, ओके, सेमी सर्कल लाइंस ये ऐसे ऐसे ड्रॉ की गई हैं. ओके, दे आर मार्क्ड एज ईस्ट और वेस्ट. दे आर मार्क्ड एज ईस्ट और वेस्ट. यहां वेस्ट. 0 डिग्री longitude or meridian is called Greenwich or prime meridian. Greenwich or prime meridian. 0 degree with 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 up to the 180 degree east. Same here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to the 180 degree west. Okay, 0 degree meridian या prime meridian divides the earth into two parts, two hemisphere, just like a northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, the same. ठीक है, again divides the earth into two halves. This is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. Okay, 0 degree prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves. The here is one part eastern hemisphere and this western hemisphere. Okay. I hope you all are understand what I am teaching you. Okay. Today's class up to here. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic related to longitudes. Okay. Bye. Thank you.